What's going on? So today I was pretty bored, so I thought I would film a YouTube video. And all it's gonna be is like a little bike check on this bad boy right here. So let's get started. Alright, this is it. Everything's like pretty stock on it, but might as well give a run through of all the parts, because I might be doing more videos on it. So, start from the top. It's got black colony grips, black brake lever, black brake cable, black Endeavour bars, colony top load stem, colony headset, the Coles cable tie, colony forks, colony wheels, colony rims, pretty nice, colony hubs, the Nike shoelace, keep that squeaky clean. Got a big fucking orange frame on it, goes alright. Colony set, really nice and comfy. Colony pedals, colony cranks, colony crank bearings, as they're called. Colony sprocket, colony chain, colony brake calipers, colony hub on the back. That's about it. Really good bike, really comfortable to ride. She sounds like a dream. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's go to a little beginner tricks on it, because I only just started like riding bikes again, so yeah. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in the next one.